everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to apple.com account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.apple.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this main home page. Scroll all the way down and under account, click on manage your Apple ID. This will take you to the main home page for appleid.apple.com. Now click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. In the sign in area, go ahead and type in your Apple ID in the text box. Your Apple ID is the same one that you created while signing up for a new account. And once you are done, if you'd like the system to remember your credential for you, check on Remember Me box beneath. If you are using a public or a shared device, leave it unchecked for your security. If you've forgotten your Apple ID, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Apple ID or Password link at the bottom and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credential. After you are done entering your Apple ID, click the arrow pointing towards the right-hand side of the screen, and then you'll be able to see the password text box appearing right beneath. Go ahead and enter the correct password in the password text box and finally click on the arrow one more time on the right-hand corner of the password box. You'll need to verify with the two-factor authentication code sent on your mobile device via SMS. Simply go ahead and type in the code that you received and you'll be able to sign into your apple.com account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.